As time goes on, as days pass by. Oh what a world, oh what a life. No peace, no love, but hate and cry. Fighting is a habit, killing is a game. Corruption is a job, while money is an aim. Raping is a pleasure, loving is a stress. They wanna be the strongest, they wanna be the best. They wanna be so beautiful, they wanna be so handsome. God give you the face for a reason, Hate, no more hate, in love. Let's put a fate, cause hating to the people started by the devil. If you wanna get rid, come and read the Bible. No other book is better than the Bible. Nobody teaches like Jesus Christ. Nobody leads us like Jesus Christ. Nobody can love like Christ. Why don't we try? Why don't we try to be like Jesus Christ? I know we can, and we will follow the 10 commandments. Love each other, help each other. That's what God is waiting from us. Live in well, live in hate, live in jealous, or live the way that teach by Jesus. In this generation, money is ambitious. Now wake up, while there's still time. Start up your heart and your mind. Money is making you blind. No one ever wonder, oh no one ever realize that love it has the power that lead us to the paradise.
Lord, oh Lord, can you hear me? I'm calling your name cause I need thee. No more love, what do that mean? They replace love with money. Lord, oh Lord, can you hear me? I'm calling your name cause I need thee. No more love, what do that mean? They replace love with money.
Money over love, or love over money? What's better? One day, I'm sitting all alone, I'm relaxed. I was thinking about the past, I'm not appreciated by the things that I've done. I'm sad, I cried at once, but then I wonder, I gotta start over. Forget about the past, gotta plan for the future. I can't do it on my own, oh no. I need God's help here also. I pray and I read the Bible. Love is what's said by the gospel. Love is great, love is best. Love is heaven, love is Jesus. So gotta choose love, not money. Money separates man, but love combine. Money can't see things that love find. Money can't buy anything but not you and I. Cause why? We are God's child. Gotta choose love, gotta live life better. Gotta make Jesus smile bigger. Gotta make God love us more and more. Hey, time's running. So no one ever wonder, oh no one ever realize that love it has the power that lead us to the paradise. So no one ever wonder, no one ever realize that to love each other is like to love God the Father.
Lord, oh Lord, can you hear me? I'm calling your name cause I need thee. No more love, what do that mean? They replace love with money. Lord, oh Lord, can you hear me? I'm calling your name cause I need thee. No more love, what do that mean? They replace love with money.